So, traders, hope you guys had a wonderful trading week. Hope you guys showed up and made a difference and made sure that you do all that you have to do so you can unleash the potential and the greatness that you carry as traders. But this is your boy Harlem King COT, and I appreciate having you guys as my subscribers and family members. But before we start the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, sign up with the broker that I trade with by clicking the link on my bio. To most of all, subscribe to the channel, and so far most importantly, as you all guys know, at COT Academy has a 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, and most of all, have opened my comment section. So feel free to do what you want to do so you can get a hold of me. And don't you dare forget that I'm here to assist you guys and here to grow with you guys. But you just gotta invest in the knowledge. But without further ado, today's video will be our weekly trading outlook. And we are going to be preparing ourselves for the week of the 18th up until the 25th. I just won't say much and I won't do much, but I'm gonna just start by showing up to the charts and make sure that I add value and prepare you guys for the next trading week, because that's most important than anything else. You guys get that? So the first page that we're gonna be working on, guys, as you guys can clearly see, it's Nasdaq. And with Nasdaq, you guys can clearly understand that price is in a bullish structure and price is in a bullish behavior. And all we now can just conclude with this, it's very simple. Price at this price at this all-time high resistance that was later on violated within the week, the trading week, and price giving us this new all-time high. So now you can clearly see that price has a possible higher low based on price trading above this very same zone after a higher high and a higher low close to end the week. So as you guys can clearly understand that we have a trade idea, and this trade idea is based on me having to share to you guys that once price is staying above and trading above this major zone, then I guess we're gonna look for those continuations to the upside. But if price is gonna give us a violation and trade below this very same zone, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. But be mindful, guys, our structure is bullish and our behavior is bullish. All we're gonna be focusing on is those continuations to the upside. Only if prices gave us a higher high, only if prices gave us a higher high and a higher low and a trade above our zone, anticipating those continuations to the upside. But if price is gonna give us a trade below, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside based on price violating resistance and trading below resistance. Do you guys get that? So Nasdaq will be very simple. Our trade idea is if price will be above our zone, we're gonna look for those moves to the upside. But if price will trade below, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside. Are you guys mindful of it? Without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And on gold, guys, I just won't say much, but I just want to make you guys understand that price has been in a range for quite a long time now. And with price having a range, there's nothing else that we're going to talk about but to just scratch it out. But I want to make you guys understand a few things before we continue. As you can clearly see that price has intraday lows, highs, and intraday lows, and price is still in a range, right, from early this week, right? So we're just waiting for confirmation. This confirmation is based on us having to understand that we're gonna get a trade above this intraday highs, or we're gonna get a trade below this intraday lows, and that's when we're gonna confirm our overall direction within our trading week. But if price is still holding a range, then I guess we won't put our money to work. But if price will give us a violation either to the upside nor to the downside, then I guess we're gonna do what price is showing us. But if price will still hold the range, then I guess we won't put our money to work. Are you guys mindful of that? But without further ado, let's hit the charts and show you guys what we might be looking for in our last pair, which is USD CAD. And on USD CAD, guys, I guess USD CAD might be a tradable pair for the coming week, because you guys are now mindful that this is our major zone. Right, this is our major zone, and every time price is above, we tend to be bullish. Every time price is below, we tend to be bearish. But now we're going to be focusing on our current price structure and making sure that I show you guys what you have to see, so you don't complicate yourselves within the trading week, right? So you can clearly see that price at this current lows, which price failed to violate to the downside. So to look for those moves to the downside, because price was trading below our zone and price created lows. So we were looking for those moves to the downside if price will give us a violation of our current lows, right? So it happened that price did what? Price held above our zone and price pushed to the upside. So as you can clearly see, the price has this push phase and this exhaustion phase and this continuation push phase to end the week. All we're gonna now be focusing on our trade idea is very simple. If price is gonna stay above our zone, we're gonna look for those moves to the upside. But if price is gonna stay below, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the upside, and that will be all we're gonna be anticipating, looking forward to the coming week, because you can clearly see that our structure is somehow looking bullish, but price is still holding a major zone, and this zone will be a confirmation to us into what direction are we going to get for the coming week. If price will trade above our zone, then we're going to simply look for those continuations to the upside and be bullish. But if price is going to trade below our zone, then I guess we're going to look for those reversals to the downside and be bearish. But this will be all based on us able to understand and waiting for confirmation that will make us understand what directions will price get or move within the trading week. Do you guys get that? If we won't get what we anticipate, just don't put our money to work. You guys mindful of it. So hope you guys you took value to the video, and hope you guys you took it to account that this is not all about financial advice, but it's just anticipations and opinions based on our experiences within the forex markets. Before we end the video, I appreciate the support, I appreciate the love, I appreciate the liking, I appreciate the subscriptions, and most importantly, I appreciate all that you're doing for us. Thank you guys for letting COT Academy be the best YouTube channel, and thank you guys for letting the COT Academy be one of the greatest and far most importantly the best forex institutes in the world. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlan, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.